This is a refactoring tutorial about fields being merged. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. Let's add one more field. Let's add a couple of entries, and maybe we start with Alice and Bob, and maybe Carol over there, and maybe with Dave, and maybe with Alan and Danny, like this. Let's give those fields proper names. Name 1 and maybe name 2. And now if you do a drag and drop in here in the configurator, you will see the option of merging fields. If we click here, it will complain because Danny and Alan cannot be merged into one proper field. So there are several things you could try to do. The one thing is you just go in here and delete the string, and if you repeat it then and if you merge it, then it's still complaining because it's an empty string right now. And it doesn't work. What you shouldn't do in that case, if you hit delete, it will delete the entire record. That's probably not what you want it to do. So let's go over here, and again, let's put here Alan and over here Danny, and then we're back to the case where it doesn't really work. What you should do, you should set Danny to undefined or empty, which is the same case as the other cells are. We just didn't give them any values. And if you repeat it right now, it's supposed to work just nicely. And of course, there's more to embrace, but that'll be another story.